I'm sad doesn't mean I'm finna start posting videos with niggas talking about shit out with him. This my new nigga. Like, no.
I'm talking about, bro, at the end of the day, bro, you know me. You see my videos. You know what I am. You know that.
At the end of the day, you know how I feel about shit like that.
But at the end of the day,
still disrespected.
You didn't care. You still disrespected. And you still didn't care, bro.
And then you lied, nigga. Why would you lie? We broke up a week ago. We know I broke up.
I don't want a girlfriend right now. I'm not.
Oh, you could have fooled the fuck out of me.
I don't want a girlfriend. I'm not trying to date anybody right now. I'm chilling. I'm going with the flow. I'm relaxing. But I feel like you like feel like I feel like everything I do is like wrong. No, like at the end.
What?
Disrespectful. That was disrespectful. That was cool. I mean, you can do what you want. You can fuck, you know what I'm saying, or whatever. At the end of the day, I feel like I'm just saying you're right. You said I disrespected you. So that
was very disrespectful. So for me to just post a vlog or something, like I didn't do nothing outrageous like that. You just like didn't give a fuck about how I felt or none of that. And you just
okay.
Like that's out.
Okay, I feel like you didn't give a fuck how I feel at all. Now I'm saying you though, like if you feel like I didn't give a fuck, I'm telling you I do. I'm sorry. I'm telling you right now that I do. I'm telling you. But I feel like honestly you didn't towards me like the last month and like of our relationship, and that it was just like hard.
But you know everything.
I just felt like that certain events. I just felt like what that happened is that it just showed that you didn't really like respect. In the video I did, that was okay. That was bad. I shouldn't. I admit I shouldn't have done that. But I feel like just for certain things, like I told you.
Then you have lip gloss on the side of your mouth. Like, you can't fool me, nigga. You know you can't fool me.
Alright, but look.
So don't be trying to...
I'm not playing the victim. You think I'm trying to play a victim? I'm telling you.
That's what I feel like.
I'm telling you, bro. You, at the end of the day, I know you and you know me. At the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like, at the end, bro, you know the real. I know the real. And I feel like
what it is, and it just is what it is. I just feel like, okay, we could just move on. I don't care anymore. If you feel like you want to fuck with my best friend's ex, okay, cool.
But look,
see, you feel like you want to fuck with other girls, kudos to you. But that's just crazy how we only broken up for a week, and you already doing it.
But Kai, look, that's what I'm saying. You want me to be so like, was I supposed to be?
No.
Like, what do you want me to do? Like,
nigga, nobody is saying to do.
I know. Even I'm saying this, even during our last month or whatever, like, I tried or whatever. But
nobody is saying that to be sad. We both were sad, of course, nigga. We both were sad. But that's not how you take out sadness, nigga. That's not. I just feel like you was trying that's petty.
For a whole month, bro. I felt like, bro, our connection was lost or something like that, and I tried.
Okay, stop bringing that up because you already know that situation. We're not talking about that anymore. We're talking about what's going on right now.
I'm telling you what led up to that. This wasn't just, let me do that. You know what I'm saying?
So you were trying to be petty. Just be honest. You were trying to be petty.
I wasn't trying to be petty, bro.
Okay. So what were you trying to do?
Bro, my thought process was he was like, bro, my thought process was like, all right, I'm thinking you can shoot with different guys, whatever. I'm gonna shoot with different girls or whatever. Like, that's just really what it is. You think I'm finna start the whole thing I did? You think I'm finna start this whole relationship again? No, I'm not finna do no relationship. Listen. I did. I'm a fly to alright. And I did a video talking about I'm a fly girl out. And then I said, the next day I'm with the girl.
And in these comments, y'all doing too much.
Yeah, I'm not even, you took it a different way that I...
And y'all can shut the fuck up with all this politics, because at the end of let's not be doing all that petty stuff on YouTube and stuff like that.
I'm not trying to be petty.
It's unnecessary.
Bro, you know the real shit. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. You know the real stuff. I'm not.
Yeah, but you know how I am.
And you know how I am. But we're the same person at the end of the day. You know, bro. Like, I'm not trying to front. You know what I'm saying? We're the same sound goes up. It's like the same thing, bro. You know how it is. You know. You can't call each other because I don't have.
I changed my number.
If she changed her number, this is the only way I can talk to her is through social media.
My YouTube got hacked earlier today.
Your YouTube got hacked?
Yeah, some of it hacked it, but everything good now. But I'm saying that's why I changed my number. So
that's what?
That's why I changed my number.
But no, bro, Kai, you know, I'm like, I just fucked up shit.
Yes, please do it. Thank you.
I do, but I own up to it all the time.
Okay, and I could own up too. I knew that was gonna keep us some type of way, but you knew it was gonna be.
Alright, so you think you didn't make you feel some type of way at all?
No, I know that I did, but I'm saying you can't expect to do something and like me not do something too. I'm not even saying you get back or none of that. But what I'm saying is like you knew what you was doing when you did the whole Taylor girl shit.
The Taylor girl stuff, that wasn't like that. I just wanted that shit. That was cool. Like, and you know, when I text you about when I did I text you before I even did the listening video with them.
But that was weird.
The mall thing.
Which also made me feel weird because exactly y'all did the mall thing and then all of a sudden y'all just like each other like what?
What's her name? She goes out with my Flight. She used to go out with Flight. You think I'm a mess with one of my close bros, girl?
I don't know. He was commenting on doing all that shit, commenting on her pictures and stuff, all the extra shit. What?
You know what?
Well,
but I'm saying, bro. End of the day, I'm not trying to be petty or nothing of that stuff or whatever. You know, out of bro. We know each other like the back of our hands. At the end of the day, when you do something, I know. You knew when you posted that you was trying to get something from me. You knew that.
Posted what?
When you posted that video, you posted.
You know what video you posted?
You gonna get your money.
You started it.
You gonna get your money. I see them ads.
No, you finna get your money.
I see them ads.
But it don't matter because
I see you finally put you put it in the corner. Who taught you that? Who taught you that?
Alyssa. But yeah, so I mean, it is what it is. Like,
nah, I'm saying this, bro. We don't argue all the time, bro. We don't argue all the time. It is what it is. But at the end of the day,
stop trying to make me mad.
I'm trying to make you mad. I'm saying at the end of the day, you know what it is. I hit you up, red. That's what I get.
Well, because you knew what you was doing. But
you don't even talk like you be assuming. You be assuming. This dude. You be assuming.
Comments, I'm dead.
Somebody said this is a YouTube video. No. Nah, you be assuming stuff. That's the thing. That was
these comments is out of line. Look what we did. I'm done with this, girl. We gotta get off of this.
Nah, but I'm saying. So, are you finna get the new number, or what you finna do?
You get me on Instagram?
Nah. See how you trying to play me?
I'm not trying to play you, but
you are.
You think everything just peaches and cream?
No, I don't. That's the thing. Like, I don't think everything's peaches and cream. You keep thinking I think shit.
Well,
like, really, like, you think you know how I think.
Well, I just talked to Brooklyn.
Talk to Brooklyn about what? Talk to Brooklyn about what?
Get whiskey for a show.
I'm saying. I would rather.
I know. I'm finna get off of this.
Alright, Kai. But I'm saying. End of the day, you know the truth.
Yeah.
You know, really, without YouTube, without Instagram, without these views, without all that, you know the truth. You know how it is. I told you. You know. Fuck the views. Fuck the ads. All that.
I said y'all gonna regret this in the morning.
Regret what? Doing this?
That's right. Yes, I knew I should. Cause look at all these people in it, and I mean.
I know. I'm gonna delete this.
All right.
But I'm saying, listen. No, you know the truth, bro. You know what it is. So none of that. You know.
Shit happens. You know what you was doing.
Huh?
They ain't having totally different conversations. I'm dead. All right, I'm gonna get off.
So what's the deal?
What you mean?
So are you finna give me the new number or what up? Or are you finna just end it off like that? And that's it.
I need to talk to Goodman. My good sis gives me all the. I don't know.
Alright. You're really funny, bro. You're really funny as fuck. You know that? You're a comedian.
You're a comedian.
You're a comedian. You should go on stage. I'll put you on stage.
No, I don't want to be put on stage.
I'm gonna put you on stage. See what's up. Hey, you finna make some money though.